A dream is not that which you see while sleeping. It is something that does not let you sleep. Suffering is the essence of success.
If you fail, never give up, because fail means first attempt in learning. To succeed in your mission, you must have single-minded devotion to your goal. We should not give up, and we should not allow the problem to defeat us. If a country is to be corruption-free and become a nation of beautiful minds, I strongly feel there are three key societal members who can make a difference. They are the father, the mother, and the teacher. Success is when your signature changes to autograph. If you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. Never stop fighting until you arrive at your destined place. That is, the unique you. Have an aim in life, continuously acquire knowledge, work hard, and have the perseverance to realize a great life. Small aim is a crime. Have great aim. The man needs his difficulties because they are necessary to enjoy success. You see, God helps only people who work hard. That principle is very clear. One of the very important characteristics of the student is to question. Let the students ask a question. Look at the sky. We are not alone. The whole universe is friendly to us and conspires only to give the best to those who dream and work. Difficulties in your life do not come to destroy you, but to help you realize your hidden potential and power. Let difficulties know that you too are difficult. All birds find shelter during a rain, but eagle avoids rain by flying above the clouds. Climbing to the top demands strength, whether it is to the top of Mount Everest or to the top of your career. Without your involvement, you can't succeed. With your involvement, you can't fail. Do not wait for something big to happen. Start where you are with whatever you have. Confidence and hard work is the best medicine to kill the disease called failure. It will make you a successful person. You cannot change your future, but you can change your habits, and surely your habits will change your future. Failure will never overtake me if my determination to succeed is strong enough. Be active. Take on responsibility. Work for the things you believe in. If you do not, you are surrendering your fate to others. Don't take a rest after your first victory, because if you fail in second, more lips are waiting to say that your first victory was just luck. Life and time are the world's best teachers. Life teaches us to make good use of time, and time teaches us the value of life. One best book is equal to 100 good friends, but one good friend is equal to a library. Don't read success stories, you will only get a message. Read failure stories, you will get some ideas to get success. Those who cannot work with their hearts achieve but a hollow, half-hearted success that breeds bitterness all around. I firmly believe that unless one has tasted the bitter pill of failure, one cannot aspire enough for success. If four things are followed, having a great aim, acquiring knowledge, hard work, and perseverance, then anything can be achieved.
Empty pocket teaches you a million things in life, but full pocket spoils you in a million ways.
Love your job, but don't love your company, because you may not know when your company stops loving you. If you fall in your life, Neither your boss or client will offer you a helping hand, only your friends and family will. Educationists should build the capacities of the spirit of inquiry, creativity, entrepreneurial and moral leadership among students and become their role model. I'm not a handsome guy, but I can give my hand to someone who needs help. Beauty is in the heart, not in the face. I will work and sweat for a great vision, the vision of transforming India into a developed nation. You have to have a goal, but you have to have strategies to achieve it as fast as possible. The reality of your own nature should determine your speed. If you become restless, speed up. If you become tense and high-strung, slow down. Let us sacrifice our today so that our children can have a better tomorrow. The best brains of the nation may be found on the last benches of the classroom. Network marketing is the fastest growing business of 21st century which must be joined by every young man and woman globally, otherwise you can never get the best of your youth age. Network marketing is the future business in India. Once Abdul Kalam asked to lit the lamp, he took the candle to lit the lamp and said, I am a Muslim. I lit an Hindu's lamp with a Christian candle. This is called unity in India. Books become permanent companions. Sometimes, they are born before us. They guide us during our life journey and continue for many generations. Teaching is a very noble profession that shapes the character, caliber, and future of an individual. If the people remember me as a good teacher, that will be the biggest honor for me. If you salute your duty, you no need to salute anybody, but if you pollute your duty, you have to salute everybody. Winners are not those who never fail, but those who never quit. There are a number of women who have brought about immense change in society. I was a disadvantaged child from a non-educated family, yet I had the advantage of being in the company of great teachers. No religion has mandated killing others as a requirement for its sustenance or promotion. End is not the end. If fact end means, effort never dies. If you get no as an answer, remember no means, next opportunity, so let's be positive. To become unique, the challenge is to fight the hardest battle which anyone can imagine until you reach your destination. The essence of a happy life and a peaceful society lies in one sentence: what can I give?
Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel Brainstorming Codes and get the latest updates at the earliest. Winners are not those who never fail, but those who never quit. Brainstorming Codes. Read daily, achieve success surely.